Okay, I'm going to give a brief overview of how to utilize the inventory tracking system. So you'll see here when you log in, you can see all of the items that you currently have and what their stock is. And then you have an option to edit these ones. So any that are in here already and you want to just add inventory or remove inventory from, you can click edit. And then you'll see here's what it is. This particular one does not have a description. And then you can either add stock or distribute stock. So this one has only been added. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and make one from scratch. So say we need to add a new item, I'm going to press create, and then I'm going to put in, Medford's new brochures. And then I might put in here, this covers everything fun to do in Medford. You can put whatever you want. Or as you can see, you don't have to put anything. This is just if you want to have a description in there. Then, in order to add data, you have to press save. And that will enable you to either add stock or distribute stock. So now I'm going to add stock. Here I can say, first shipment, and we got 1,000 of them, and it was on February 27th, and it cost $1,500, and the vendor was best vendor ever, requested by Jenny, fulfilled by vendor, or Dashley, whoever. And then in this note section is where, I might put it was, 1,000 half sheets or whatever other information I might need to track in here about the type of order. You could put the, the order number, whatever you need in here about that. And then you'll press save. And you'll see in here, okay, this is our first shipment. We have 1,000. And since we got our first shipment, we're going to distribute stock. And here I'm going to put, March trade show, wedding show, or whatever the name of it is. And we are going to take 250 from there, and it's going to be on the 5th. It was requested by John and fulfilled by Tammy. John will be running a booth and distributing our information. Anything you need to know about why you took this information out. And then I'll press save. And then you can see in here, so now I've added 1,000, I've distributed 250, and then this total tells me that now I have 750 left. So now I can go back, and now I'll see it in the list. So the number that you see here is the current amount of the stock that you currently have. Then we do have the option, I can go in here and edit. And for example, I don't want this to appear in your guys' inventory because it's not something you really have. So you could make it inactive. So say you've finished all all of what you have, and you're not going to use this one anymore. You're going to create a new item. You could make it inactive, so that you would still be able to see the amount of stock you had for reference. Or if it got added accidentally or there was a duplicate, I can press archive, and then I'll press save, and we'll go back and we'll see now it's no longer in our view. So that is briefly how to use it. If you have any more questions or need any more help on how to fill it out or what to do, feel free to give me a call. Thanks much.